Till now we were creating sketches only on the standard planes, front, top and right. But as well, we can create sketches on the faces of the part. For example, we can create a sketch on this face, this face, this face, any face on this part, we can create a sketch. To create a sketch, for example, on this face, we can just click on this face, we can go to sketch and turn on the sketch tool, like this. And now if we want to go to the position normal to this sketch, we can just go here and go normal to, or we can just click here on the sketch to and normal to. And now we can create a sketch on this face. So we can go, for example, with a circle. Let's create a circle like this. Dimension. Let's put diameter 40 millimeters. Let's define the distance. 30 millimeters. Let's click OK. And let's click on this point, hold Ctrl and the origin. Let's go with horizontal. Okay. And now if we rotate this part, we can see that we have created a sketch on this face. And now if we want to convert this sketch to 3D model, we can go to Features, Extruded Boss Base. We can see the preview and we can click OK. And now we have created a new sketch on this face and a new feature. And this is feature Boss Extrude 2. So we have Boss Extrude 1, this first feature, and now we have Boss Extrude 2. So everything that we have created, we have here on the tree, Feature Manager Design tree. Now, for example, we want to create a sketch on this face here. So let's click on this face. And as we click on this face, here we have some options. And here we can choose Sketch. Now let's click here and let's go normal to. And now, for example, let's go to the line. And let's start with the line at this edge. Let's go to this point here. Let's go here to this point and let's go back here like this. And now we can see that our sketch is already fully defined. We don't have to add any dimension and relation because automatically here we have coincident relation and vertical. As well, here we have horizontal relation and coincident, and here we have coincident relation. So we can just simply go here to Features, Extruded Boss Base, and click OK. And this is our feature. This is Boss Extrude 3. So we have 3 features here. If we click here, we can see our sketch 1. Here we have sketch 2, and here we have sketch 3. And now, for example, you can use this face to create a sketch. You can just click here, sketch, let's go normal to, like this. And for example, let's go with a circle, like this. Now let's click on this circle, hold Ctrl and this edge here. Let's make tangent relation, like this. Let's click OK. Now let's click on this circle, hold Ctrl, this edge here, and let's make tangent relation, like this. And now let's click on this edge here. We can rotate this. We can choose this edge, hold Ctrl, this circle. Let's make tangent relation and OK. And now we can see that our sketch is fully defined. We can now go to Features, Extruded Boss Base, and OK. So this is how you can build your model by creating sketches on the faces of the part.